before the Omicron variant, we were seeing an uptick in flights. We've been talking with several of our airlines, and obviously some others coming on, including some new ones that we're currently talking with to be able to fly into the airport. But I think as it relates to the Omicron variant, it's still yet to be seen how that's going to impact some of the more some of the holiday travel toward the end of the month. But we have seen cancellations in the near term.
GIAA Deputy Executive Manager Ricky Hernandez says the concern over the Omicron variant has left tourists second-guessing if they should visit the island, with many of the canceled flights from the Korean market. He has concerns as well, referring to testing, arriving passengers, and those who are departing Guam.
There currently isn't a testing facility here at the airport for departing or arriving passengers. And so that's something that obviously we've been looking at. But as it relates to convenience for some of the travelers, like in other markets, I believe that they're trying to work with possibly where they're currently lodging to be able to do that before they get to the airport.
As for travel restrictions,
we've not heard any additional changes as it relates to increasing restrictions. What we've seen is that public health's travel requirements for exemptions for quarantine have actually added that you could come in with a negative antigen test if you had it 24 hours or a day prior to departure or departing to Guam from any destination. And so that's been an added quarantine exemption in addition to being fully vaccinated.
As we reported, the current travel restrictions state that if you want to bypass quarantine, you must be fully vaccinated with either a WHO or FDA-approved vaccine, have a negative PCR test within 3 days of arrival, or an antigen test within 1 day of arrival. Daniel Perez reporting for Guam's News Network.